Hello student, welcome back to lecture series on statistic chapter. So guys, in my today's video I'm gonna explain to you all one of the question from statistic, okay, which is very much important for your upcoming SPPU exam, which is based on the curve fitting points, okay, that we are gonna use here least square method, okay, a least square method for finding the linear curve, okay, for find the linear curve, how it is fitting to the given data, okay, yes, using given data. So if you want to see what is the least square method curve fitting, you can refer my previous videos. I uploaded my given data into my last lecture, okay. If you want to see these points, I will show you all here, okay. Now see that, let me read first of all the question. Find the linear curve y which is equal to x plus b by least square method to the given data, okay. Yes, so what we have given, linear curve given, okay. Linear curve means y which is equal to x plus b, and we know that y which is equal to x plus b. What is y which is equal to ax plus b? Is this one is the equation of straight line, equation of straight line, okay. Y which is equal to x plus b, this one is the equation of a straight line, okay. So we consider a normal equation for the straight line. For your reference, you can see here in my last lecture I explained to you all the curve fitting, okay, process of binding the curve. So this one is the curve fitting, process of binding curve. Name of curve given here. If a straight line it is there, y which is equal to a plus bx, we consider normal equation as summation of y into na plus b times summation of x, summation of xy which is equal to a times summation of x plus b times summation of x square, okay. So we needed these values over here, okay. Yes, so if you have another curve y is equal to a b to the power x, okay, so you can take these values over here, okay. And if you have given parabola, okay, second degree parabola, so when we have second degree, obviously it gives us the parabola, okay. So when we have second degree parabola, so we consider this substitution, okay. Yes, so least we are going to apply a least square method here, okay. Least square method means to fit the curve within given points, okay. Within given points we have to fit our curve over here, okay. Now see that we have the equation a plus bx, okay, and we got the equation in our example ax plus b, okay. So you just have to replace a as a b and b as a over here, okay. So let me write what the substitution we needed for line y which is equal to x plus b, okay. That we needed an equation of a normal, okay. If we needed equation of a normal, so least square method it says that apply equation of a normal, and we know that equation of normal, we know that the equation of a normal, it can be written as, now what we have, y which is equal to x plus b. So equation of a normal, we write summation of y which is equal to a times summation of x plus b times summation of nb, okay. Now see that b we take inside or outside, doesn't matter, okay. So we write summation of a times summation of x plus nb, okay, sorry, it is nb. So what we have here, you can check here in my substitution, a times summation of x. Now instead of y is equal to a plus bx, we have x plus b, okay, x plus b. So replace a by b, okay. So we get the n times b plus summation of a times plus a times summation of x, okay. Yes, a and b constant here, n is the value for number, okay. Yes, so what we have here, summation of y, we write a times summation of x plus n times b, okay. And we have one more, summation of xy, another equation of a normal, summation of xy, okay. Another equation of a normal, we write it is the summation of xy, okay. So summation of xy, we write a times summation x square, a times summation x square plus b times summation x, okay. These are the two equation of a normal, okay, that we are going to find here, okay. Now see that guys, okay, so in our given data set, okay, we have to find out whether curve it is fit or not. Okay, for finding the specific equation for our fit curve, okay, so we consider normal for this equation. Okay, so what we do, we replace the value for a, b, x square. Okay, this value we are going to replace over here. Okay, so let's get to find out the value for summation of x, summation of x square. Okay, it is way easier guys, not that difficult. We want the summation of y, we want the summation of xy also. Okay, so using equation of a normal, we have to plot the table. Okay, yes, we go for the vertical table calculation. Okay, so now say that we want the n here. Okay, first n means number of observation what present here. Okay, how many here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So number of observation, it is total 6. So I got the n as a 6 over here. Okay, n is a 6 here. Now summation of y, summation of x, summation of xy, these values we needed over here. Okay, yes, so let's go for finding the value. Okay, as we have table horizontal form, take it the horizontal form, take it to the vertical form. Let me write into the vertical form table. So here we have to plot the table using our given data. Okay, so see that we have equation of a normal. Okay, so observe this equation of a normal, that using equation of normal we have to plot the data. Okay, yes, now see that we want the summation of y, that means we have to add all the y so that at the end we can get the summation of y. Okay, then we want the summation of xy, that means x multiplied by y, multiply x to the y, we'll get the x into y, then find out the summation of xy at the end. Okay, so for that we need x, we needed y, we needed xy. Okay, and we want the summation of x. Okay, so you can at the end of x you can find out the summation of x. Okay, and the summation of x square, so using x find out the x square, and at the end find out summation of x square. Okay, yes, so all this data we have over here. Okay, so as I have found already all the calculations. Okay, so the table for x and the table for y, I written it into the vertical format. Okay, yes, as we have given in the horizontal format table, so I written into the vertical. So see that these are the value of x given in our question paper, these are the value of y given in our question paper. Okay, yes, so by using formula I written here x square and xy. Okay, so find out the x square. 100 square it is a 10,000, 120 square it is a 14,400, 140 square 19,600, 160 square 25,600, 180 square 32400, and 200 square 40,000. Okay, yes, and after that multiply x into y, x multiplied by 100 into 0.9, which is 90, 120 into 1.1, 132. Okay, similarly go for the multiplication of 200 into 1.7, we write it is a 3.4340. Okay, yes, so what we want in our given equation of normal, we want the summation of y, summation of x, summation of x square, summation of xy. Okay, so summation of x I found here 190. Okay, this one is the summation of x is 190, summation of y is a 7.9, summation of x square 142,000, and the summation of xy 1242. Okay, yes, this is our required all these values. Now see that guys, it is very easy to calculate the remaining values. Okay, so our target over here, okay, our target over here to find out the value for a and b. Okay, a and b, we have to work for the value of a and value of b. Okay, it is way easier guys. Okay, not the difficult. Okay, see that here we can build the two different equation. So put the value for summation of y, summation of xy, summation of x, summation of x square, summation of x, all these value in our given two equation of a normal. Okay, so equation of normal we have here. Let me write this summation of equation of a normal again. We write summation of y, which is equal to a times summation of x plus n times b. Okay, yes, so and another equation we have here, a summation of xy, which is equal to a times summation x square plus b times summation x. So we are trying to build two different linear equations so that we can solve this equation and we'll get the value for A and B over here. Okay, our target is to find out the value for A and B and need to replace this value. Okay, need to replace this value instead of A and B over here. Okay, instead of A and B, replace the value over here, you will get the equation of curve fitting. Okay, yes, so let's find out the value. Okay, summation of y. Okay, what is the summation of y? This one is a 7.9. Okay, so 7.9, which is equal to A as it is. We don't know the value for A. It is a completely constant term. Okay, so A as it is, summation of x, it is a 900. Okay, into 900 plus n. What is the value for n? N means number of observation, and we have n which is equal to total 6 observation. Okay, 6 multiplied by b, because we don't know the value for A and B, it is completely constant, so keep that values as it is. Okay, yes. So what is the value for summation of xy? 1242. Okay, so put it here, 1242. Okay, which is equal to A times summation x square. A constant as it is, we cannot do anything here with the A. Summation of x square, 142000 multiplied by 142000, 142000 plus b times summation of x. Summation of x, what we have here? 900. Okay, yes. So this one is our two different equation. Now we can see that these are the two equation in the term of A and B. Okay, these are the two equation in the terms of A and B. So we can directly calculate the value for A and B by adding or subtracting these equations. Okay, yes, so you can apply you can take your calci also for the calculation. It is way easier, but as we have, these numbers are quite large. Okay, so quite large enough for calculate, so you need to have a calci for this calculation. Okay, as I have found the value for these two equation, you can add, subtract these two equation, you can multiply something over here and make equal to these values. Okay, so try cancel A, try cancel B, you will get the value for A and B over here. Okay, yes. After solving, we get the value for A as a 0.0081. okay, 0.0081. okay, and A into this one is the value for A, and we, after solving this equation, we get the B as a 0.095. Okay, this one is the value for B over here. Okay, and so now see that what we want, find the linear curve. What? Okay, so we have to find out the linear curve over here, y which is equal to x plus b. This one is the linear curve we want here. Okay, that means we have to find out the value for A and B, need to replace over here. Okay, yes, so replace the value. Okay, what we have, y which is equal to ax plus b. Okay, this implies y which is equal to A. Okay, let me put the value for A, 0.0081 into x plus 0.095. okay, 0.081 plus 0.095. okay, this is a required equation of a straight line that can fit the curve. Okay, yes, I hope you all have understood, guys. It is way easier. Such examples are coming for 5 marks. Your main target over here to remember this equation of a normal. Okay, if you know this equation of normal, guys, you can easily find out these answers. This is just a calculation based question, not the difficult. It is way easier. Plenty of the time such a questions repeated in your SPPU question paper. Okay, I hope you all have understood, guys, everything here in my today's lecture. Nothing it is difficult here. Even after, if you found anything difficult, guys, let me know in my comment section. I will come up with the similar videos. Okay, so nothing it is difficult here. I want you all to solve one more example. Okay, one more example using least square method. Okay, so I'll give you all a equation of a straight line. Okay, and then you have to apply a least square method. Okay, let me take one example for your homework. So see, guys, here I added one example which is mostly repeated question in your previous year question paper, and this time definitely one question possible on this point. Okay, we have to fit straight line to the form of curve. Okay, a is equal to ap plus b, ap plus b. Now y which is equal to ax plus b, we learn another straight line equation. It's just the variable changed here. Okay, y which is equal to ax plus b. In this form we learn already equation of a straight line. Okay, but instead of y which is equal to x plus b, what we have? Y which is equal to ap plus b. Now x can be replaced only over here with the p. Okay, yes. So now see that if x replaced by p, so we have instead of x p here. Okay, so in your normal equation you have to replace p which is equal to x. Okay, p which is equal to x. That is only, don't have anything more changes. Okay, yes. And we have to find out the value for equation of a straight line. Okay, where ap plus b can be fit. Okay, apply least square method, similar like my previous example. I'm not gonna explain this example because this type of example I already explained. Similar calculation you guys all have to follow. Okay, apply similar calculation, apply normal form of the straight line. Okay, you will get the required answer. Okay, nothing it is difficult guys, it is way easier. And even after, if you found anything difficult guys, let me know. I will explain this example if you want in my next lecture. Okay, so just let me know if whatever if you found anything difficult. Okay, yes, just let me know in my comment section. I will come up with the similar videos. So that's it here for my today's lecture guys. I hope you all have understood everything and liked my today's video. Okay, so thank you everyone, thank you for my today's lecture.